Our view is all of these forms of traditional identity, a password, a username, a corporate ID, a credit card, car keys, house keys, key fob, they're all obsolete. They're all 20th century ideas. They don't work well anymore. And there's a better way. And the better way requires that you have a powerful mobile computer in the palm of your hand. Apple sold 51 million smartphones in the last 12 weeks. We know where the powerful mobile computer is coming from. There's 1 billion smartphones a year getting pushed into the marketplace. There's no lack of these. We created Usher to dematerialize those identities into that phone. And by doing that, it allows you to use your credential to validate yourself in front of another person, to log on to a computer system, to unlock a door or a portal, and to authorize a transaction. All of these things are at the center of the entire $50 trillion economy. Now I'd like to show you how this all works in practice.
Every 18 seconds, a password is cracked, an account is phished, or a confidential file is hijacked. Every 3 seconds, credit fraud is committed, or an ID is counterfeited. Cybercrime and identity fraud are a $300 billion problem. Our traditional forms of identity are failing to stop this because they all suffer from 3 inherent weaknesses. They are physical objects, which makes them susceptible to being stolen and counterfeited. They are owner anonymous, so once stolen, anyone can use them. And they must be directly presented to the other party, which means they can be intercepted in transit. No matter what we do, these weaknesses will never go away. We need something better. Introducing Usher. Based on a new form of identity called mobile identity, Usher eliminates the inherent weaknesses of traditional identity systems. With mobile identity, physical IDs and passwords are dematerialized into mobile software, so they can no longer be counterfeited or cracked. Usher Mobile Identity is biometrically linked to its user using the smartphone's camera and microphone, so mobile identities cannot be stolen and used by others. And it is presented out of band using PKI encrypted links, so it cannot be intercepted. Usher is designed to deliver biometric caliber security to every application and business process throughout the enterprise. Usher will change the way enterprises identify people, access applications, open doors, and authorize transactions, all without cards, passwords, keys, or signatures. Users can easily scan an Usher stamp to validate an identity, or they can type a time-limited Usher code given to them over the phone. They can also broadcast their Usher signal via Bluetooth, giving permission to anyone around them to see their mobile ID, or present their Usher site code to visually prove their organizational identity. Users can unlock workstations simply by placing a phone nearby. They can also access applications simply by scanning the Usher stamp on the login screen, and log into single sign-on systems without using a password. Users can unlock doors by tapping on a mobile digital key, or using Usher's Bluetooth signal as they approach, and even send digital keys to others for temporary access. Users can also authorize payments in a store or online, all without needing cards or signatures, and access ATMs without using a PIN or debit card. All of this identity activity is captured in real time in Usher Intelligence. Backed by the industry-leading Microstrategy analytics platform, Usher Intelligence is your command center, giving you a global view into all identity activity across your enterprise, so you can see where everyone is located. Tap to see credential information about a single individual. Drill down to see the trail of activity for that individual throughout the day. Or find everyone with a particular skill or credential in a specific location. And even monitor facilities and resources to manage load balancing and optimize usage. Usher is built on industry standards and incorporates all the best practices of security. It provides 3 factors of authentication. Something you are. Only your biometric data can be used to access your Usher identity. Something you have. Only your registered smartphone can send your Usher identity. And something you know. Your phone and your account can be locked with a passcode. Usher provides yet another layer of security based on geography, time, biometrics, and dual authorization. For example, employees might only be able to log into certain systems when they are at the office and only during working hours. Require an on-demand biometric check, or require 2 people to grant access. Usher gives you the most comprehensive and secure identity solution. Designed for the mobile age, built for the cloud, optimized for biometrics, and fused with business intelligence, Usher is an industrial-strength identity platform that gives your organization the power to dramatically reduce fraud and improve cybersecurity. To get started, visit usher.com and call us today.